Parex Group is a global leader in the supply of specialized mortar, with operations spanning across more than 20 countries around the globe. Millions of dollars are spent every year on home improvement projects, which usually includes toilet upgrading. Installing toilet waterproofing using the conventional system takes several days to complete, which is a hassle to the residents, and the dust adds to their irritation.
The most inconvenient aspects of upgrading is we cannot use the toilet. It is very inconvenient for me, especially for my daughters. They don't like to use the common toilet provided. We have to purposely arrange them to go to my relative's house to take shower, which is very troublesome.
Parex Group's rapid repair system is designed to speed up toilet upgrading while reducing mess on site. It is now possible to have the toilet waterproofing system installed in one day with less dust, less mess.
The rapid repair system is much faster than the old system. The toilet that is using the rapid repair system, the contractor has finished their work, but the toilet that is using the conventional system, they're still doing their work. The upgrading work is so messy and dusty. But notice that the rapid repair system creates less mess. There's no so much dust in my house. It is cleaner and healthier for my family.
I can do my work much faster with this system as compared to the older conventional system. Instead of taking 3 days of complete one toilet, we can now finish in one day, saving time and money for my company.
Parex Group's rapid repair system consists of 3 components. Lanko NS Grout Rapidex is a rapid-setting non-shrink grout. Davco K11 Flex Rapidex is a fast-setting waterproofing membrane. Davco Hydro Screed Rapidex is a fast-setting waterproofing screed. Parex Group's rapid repair system is a waterproofing system that can be installed in a few easy steps. After hacking off the old toilet flooring, remove any loose particles. Clean and moisten the surface. Second, form a pasty mix with Lanko NS Grout Rapidex to construct the fillet along the edge of the toilet area. Third, add the water to get a flowing mix with Lanko NS Grout Rapidex and trowel across the toilet area to level the surface. Fourth, apply a first coat of Davco K11 Flex Rapidex waterproof membrane. Within an hour, the second coat of K11 Rapidex can be applied. Unlike conventional repair systems, our rapid repair system is fast-setting, allowing the subsequent finishing to be laid earlier, reducing waiting time. This increases the worker's productivity and reduces the overall labor cost of the project. Install a layer of Davco Hydro Screed Rapidex. Lastly, commence with the water ponding test. Parex Group's rapid repair system allows you to install the waterproofing system and conduct a water ponding test within the same day, reducing your project lead time and speeding up your project completion time. Parex Group's rapid repair system is clearly the preferred choice by residents and contractors for every toilet upgrading project.